You there, what's a fortnight? Oh, that's easy. It's 2 weeks in Europe. That's 2 weeks. That's what a fortnight is. Welcome back to the Balloon Channel. Good to see your smiling faces. It is Monday, so let's make some balloons. Or balloon. In this case, it's going to be a pickaxe. That's right, a little Fortnite action, a little pickaxe. Fortnite going strong, still having some fun. No, you won't see any silly dances here from me, but we will twist this balloon right here. If you already make a pickaxe, keep making it. Don't stop because the kids are loving these types of designs. Any kind of pickaxe you can make is definitely going to meet that criteria for them. They're gonna love it. So let's go ahead and talk about the balloons we're going to use to make this. You can see I have a gray and I have a brown. Yeah, okay, didn't need that anyway. All right, let's talk about the balloons and how much we're gonna leave in them. Let me go ahead and get them. All right, as you can tell, look, I have a lot of that gray balloon left over right there. And then our brown, I say about, you can see, I still have like more than a hand's grip on the end right there, okay? And for both of them, we're not going to use all of the balloon, which is nice. You know, it's always nice when you don't have to max your balloon out to the very end there. So before we move forward, if you've been liking the material you've been seeing, the content, that's the word I was looking for, don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up, bell notification, that way you know when a new video comes out. Don't forget to share your comments down below and say, hey bro, I already make a pickaxe. Like I said, keep making it, all right? So let's go ahead and get ready to twist. Let's bring that sound down, that way we can minimize the squeaking and maximize the teaching. Here we go. We're going to go ahead and start with the gray balloon. That's right, we're going to get the metal parts. If you have a chrome silver, that looks really good. But I'm using gray here for example. It's about 10 fingers. We're going to go ahead and do 2 pinch twists, about 1 inch is good. Back to back, and don't forget to roll that balloon right through there just to make sure it's got nice separation. Then match the 2 up, and you are done with the gray portion. Break off whatever you have left. And I left a little tail on here, and that was a mistake. I didn't have my cutter. You think you would do all this planning and then after all that forget a cutter. Go figure. And so you see me chewing on the balloon like some kind of wild animal. And so there it is. Okay, so we have our 2 pinch twists there, and we're going to go ahead and start with a loop, about 2 to 3 fingers. It's really up to you on how big you want that to be. All right, 2 to 3 fingers. And I'm going to go ahead and hold them, those segments right there where the pinch twists are. See that? And I'm going to pull on the portions of the, you know, what would be the sharp pointy ends of the pickaxe and twist all that together. Okay, and now I just move it around a little bit, make sure those pinch twists are on both sides of that loop, that brown loop. Okay, and then you can shape the tips of your pickaxe, and then just decide how long do you want that handle to be. You know, it could be one of those that are, you know, a smaller type of pickaxe, you know, maybe built for like, you know, little rocks and stuff like that. I am not entirely sure. And of course the bigger one for like, you know, mining. Like, I guess it's all mining. Okay, never mind, don't listen to me. And then I'm gonna go ahead and break off whatever left over, and again, no cutter, so now there's biting. Oh, don't forget you can support the channel by visiting patreon.com/JLoMagic, JLOMAGIC. Thanks for watching. All right, you can see we made it just like that. Pretty simple, pretty fast. But once you make these and you call them Fortnite pickaxes, guess what? You won't be able to make enough of them, especially for the older kids. They're definitely going to recognize this balloon right here, and they will want it. So as an alternative to the sword, offer them a Fortnite pickaxe. Yes, why not? All right, so thanks for hanging out with me. I kept this video short and sweet and simple. I'll try to stick to that actually. I really like that idea of keeping it short and simple, which is ridiculous because the next video I was thinking about doing is not so short and sweet and simple, but it does have a cool result at the end. So keep that in mind that only about 20% of the time, 100% of that, I might know what I'm talking about. Does that make sense? You do the numbers. So if you enjoy this design, don't forget to comment down below. It's always cool hanging out with you guys, and I'll do my best to put something else out this week, and maybe something with a printed balloon from Lorax. So until next time, my friends, go out there and have some fun with the people. Make some super cool balloons. Wear a shirt if you got it. That way they know you're a balloon artist or balloon twister, so you can make something on the spot, right? All right. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye, everybody. Happy twisting.